Hi, good morning, all. I am happy to see you again with a different topic PCOD or PCOS, Polycystic Ovarian Disease or Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome.
This is the most widely seen condition today among teenage girls and young women of reproductive age due to unhealthy lifestyle, addiction to junk foods, and lack of exercise. Polycystic ovarian disease is an endocrine disorder which is characterized by formation of cysts around the ovaries. In polycystic ovarian disease, many fluid-filled small sacs grow inside the ovaries, which appears like that of a string of pearls in ultrasound. The causes of PCOD. Primary cause for PCOD is unknown. The other causes are unhealthy lifestyle, hereditary, lack of exercise, and addiction towards junk foods. Signs and symptoms: delayed or irregular menses, absence of periods, obesity, hair distribution in face and body parts, abdominal pain and back pain. Acne, type 2 diabetes, infertility, depression, and skin discoloration. Diagnosis: ultrasound scan of whole abdomen. Blood test includes TSH values, androgen levels, and blood glucose levels. Management: lifestyle, surgery, medicine. Lifestyle: maintain ideal weight in accordance with your height. Exercise for 30 minutes daily. The link for how to calculate ideal weight is in the description of this video. Feel free to check it out. Change the diet plan. Start the day with a cup of water on empty stomach, and then you can have bananas. Thereafter, you can have your coffee or your favorite tea and enjoy. Breakfast should be so simple. Maybe your idli or chapati or dosa of anything of your choice, but it should be homemade. Have your lunch at the ideal time, almost around 1 o'clock. Lunch may be coconut rice, curd rice, or dal rice, and with lots of vegetables. Include sago, sweet potatoes, and ghee. Ghee consists of lots of micronutrients which are directly absorbed by the blood. So you can have 1 teaspoon of ghee every day. Then sweet potatoes helps to increase female hormone, so you can have weekly ones. Other foods that are to be taken on daily basis are sabja seeds and black raisins. Less than half teaspoon of sabja seeds are to be soaked in water or any fresh juice and have it around 11 o'clock almost after having your breakfast. Ragi consists of lots of zinc. It promotes fertility. So PCOS associated with infertility clients can have ragi based breakfast recipes on and off. Add Indian spices in your food. Indian spices like cinnamon, ashwagandha and fennel seeds improves hormone level. Avoid excess meat, sugar and processed food. Meats are allowed weekly once, that in small amount. White sugar can be avoided. Processed foods and tinned foods should be avoided. Honey. Honey consists of lots of antioxidants. Something important regarding honey is it should not be directly mixed with anything hot. Add cashew nuts, ginger and turmeric powder. Adding these food products in your diet shows amazing results, especially on PCOD associated with depression. Fruits to be included in the diet are papaya, pineapple, mango and jackfruit. These colored fruits favors the production of female hormones. Maintain the habit of having one fruit from this daily. Under surgery, laparoscopic surgeries are done to trigger ovulation. PCODs are well managed with strict diet plan and exercise, but in certain individuals, medicines are necessary. Constitutional and symptomatic medicines are given in such cases. PCODs are successfully managed with homeopathic treatment. Infertility is the worst outcome of this PCOD. Other rare complications are endometrial cancer and breast cancer. The most common outcome of PCOD is obesity. Due to obesity, high blood pressure and heart problems may arise. Certain females may develop increased blood sugar levels leading to diabetes mellitus. Also, depression is common in obese persons with PCOD. Prognosis: proper diet with exercise and medicine treatment can beat PCOD well, but certain cases require surgical treatment. Women with PCOD can get pregnant with right medicinal and surgical treatment. Pregnancies are usually normal.
Just a healthy food habits with modification in lifestyle will definitely make you overcome this disease. Hope this video will be useful one. Stay tuned for upcoming video on exercise for PCOD. Thank you.